Want to get big? Well, you're in the right place. What you need. Olive oil, egg, mustard, egg white, 1 cup frozen vegetables, 6 tablespoons of water, 1 spoon of olive oil. Bring it to a boil and drop your frozen vegetables in. Just like this. Pop that to a boil for like 5 minutes and drop your egg in. Alright. Get some egg whites as well. And pour till, yeah, that should be good. And let that cook. The vegetables and eggs are cooked. Get 1 cup of cooked rice. Low sodium, no salt. Put it on the plate. There you go. Grab your risotto or vegetables. Just put them in. There you go. Now what you do, get some mustard. Pour over top of your plain rice. Low sodium. And add some tuna on there or chicken, whatever you like. And enjoy. Look at that. Baba!